What is going on, everybody? Welcome to this channel. In today's video, let's go ahead and learn how you can pinpoint anybody's tweet on your Twitter account. If somebody posted something and you like that, you want to pin that point out in your profile, here is what you need to do that. Now, if you want to do that either on your iPhone or Android, first what you need to do, just go ahead and open up your Twitter application, and right after that, you need to choose the tweet that you want to pinpoint out. Now, to do that, the first artwork that you guys need to do, just go ahead and tap on the share option. From there, just go ahead and tap on the copy link, and now you have to tap on the plus icon here, and then simply go ahead and paste that post over there. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a caption, so I'll choose literally some emojis here, and then go ahead and tap on tweet. Now once you have tweeted it out, the next things you have to do is just tap on the home icon here, and then tap on a profile, tap on a profile name over there, and right after that, if you scroll down here, then you'll be able to see this is the post that you have just tweeted. Now once you've just tweeted the post, just go ahead and tap on the three dot here, and then you'll be able to see this option called pin to your profile. Now if you go ahead and tap on that pin to your profile, you'll get this prompt. Tap on pin here, and now if I close out the Twitter application and if I reopen that, and then you'll be able to see this is the post now stay in the top because you have just pinpointed out on your Twitter account. So this is how you can just literally just pinpoint anybody's tweet on your Twitter account. Hope you find this video useful. If it's so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.